My name is IZZATI binti Muhamad Yusoff, number matric A20A1748. We start with introduction. Students are asked to review the information content in AFT1103 Business Mathematics and gain a better understanding of it. Payroll and wage tax affect most of the net profit of a business. The success and failure of a company is determined by its owner management, which know interest rates and expenses. Okay, let's continue with question 1. The name of the company is NURHIDAYAH and the address in Untitled City Shopping Center, 1 Jalan Desa Cemerlang, Taman Desa Cemerlang, 81100 Johor Bahru, Johor. The owner NURHIDAYAH is 1 Julia binti ZAKARIA. Date of establishment is 15 January 2017 and the type of business is commercial clothing.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURHIDAYAH MARZUKI. My matrix number is A20A1751. I want to present payroll report NURHIDAYAH company. In payroll report, we have hourly rate, regular hours, overtime hours, regular pay, overtime pay, commission and gross pay. To calculate regular pay, we have hourly rate multiply to our work. For example, 25 ringgit multiply 42 equal to 1050 ringgit. For overtime pay, to calculate is overtime rate multiply to overtime hour work. For example, 25 ringgit multiply 1.5 and multiply 5.50 equal to 206 ringgit and 25 cent. For commission rate, total sale multiply commission rate. For example, 55,000 multiply 0.05 equal to 2,750 ringgit. For gross pay, we have two. First is regular pay plus overtime pay. For example, 1,050 ringgit plus 206 ringgit 25 cent equal to 1,256 ringgit 25 cent. Second is salary plus commission. To get salary, we have to 750 ringgit plus 150 ringgit plus 2,750 ringgit equal to 3,650 ringgit. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is 1 Julia binti ZAKARIA and my number matric is A20A2068. Okay, this is this is the question 2. The question 2 is estimate the amount company NURHIDAYAH need to start first on. The first on amount is 500,000. Is a loan for next is a loan from a relative is 15,000 ringgit. Okay, for the interest amount for ons is 8,075 ringgit and the future value is 15,875 ringgit. And lastly is a bank ABC. The amount is 30,000 ringgit and the interest amount is 9,900 ringgit and for future value for the bank ABC is 57,036 ringgit. For the three discussion for the total is for the amount is 545,000. For the total is interest amount is 10,775 ringgit and lastly is the total future value for the three discretion is 572,911. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to talk about promissory note. In the promissory note, loan from relative is 50,000 in 1 December 2021. 20 months after date, I promise pay to the loan of relative Untitled Ringgit Malaysia 50,000 only for a value received with interest at the rate of 3.5% per annum until paid. Security value equal face value plus interest value. In face value at RM15,000 plus in bracket 15,000 multiply 0.035 multiply 20 divide 12. The answer is 15,875 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is SITI NURHIDAYAH binti SHUKRI, metric number 80A1986. Now I am going to present question number 3A, where we identifying the machinery used in our company. The table that displays shows the machinery used in our company, the units, the cost, interest rate, time period, useful life, and scrap value. The interest rate is the amount charged by a lender to a borrower and is expressed as a percentage of the principal. The annual percentage rate is the term used to describe the interest rate on a loan. As we can see here, the interest rate for cutting machine and trade cycle machine is same, which is 6%. As for sewing machine and iron machine, the interest rate is 7%, and the interest rate for trade trimmer machine is 5%, while the embroidery machine interest rate is 4%. And as for the scrap value, it means the value of a physical asset's individual's component when the asset itself is deemed to no longer usable. And the total for our company's scrap value is 20,099 ringgit.
Question 3B. Declining balance method. Glory Dress purchased a cutting machine at the cost of 7,000 ringgit with an estimate salvage value of 5,000 ringgit and estimate useful life of 6 years. Calculation. Cutting machine. Cost 7,000 ringgit. Salvage value 5,000 ringgit. Useful life 6 years. Total preparation equals 7,000 ringgit minus 5,000 ringgit equals 2,000 ringgit. So the answer for the annual rate of depreciation is 0.055, and for the formula annual of depreciation in a white box, and the answer below the formula. Next, accumulate depreciation. This is for formula accumulate depreciation, and the answer for depreciation of date, GA1 equals 7,000 ringgit minus 5,000 ringgit in bracket 1 minus 0.055 and 1, and the answer for this DA1 is 2,275 ringgit. And for the DA2, DA3, DA4 and DA5, also DLC, we use the same formula. For the book value, we use this formula, and the answer we just change the number of years to get the answer. The table show about what we find, which is annual depreciation, depreciation to date or accumulate depreciation, book value at the end of year.
Now I'm going to proceed with question number 3C. On 1st August 2021, our company has received an invoice for machinery's cost from supplier. The picture shows the invoice we received. Firstly, we will find the simple interest and use the formula I equal to PRT, which is the calculation is I equal to 7,000 multiple with 0.06 multiple with 4 equal to 1,680 ringgit. Next, the other formula we use in finding how much supplier A need to receive payment from our company is by monthly payment R equal to B plus I over N. The calculation is R equal to 7,000 plus 1,680 ringgit divided by 30. The answer is 289 ringgit 0.33 cents. Now, I'm going to explain the calculation if the invoice is paid on 9 August 2021 with the term 5/10, 2/15, and N/30. If we pay the supplier before 10 August, we will get the discount for 3% because we pay them back before the due date. The calculation is, for cash discount, equal to 3% multiplied with 289.333, and the answer will be 8.680. Then we will proceed with the payment, where the payment is invoice amount subtract with cash discount, which is 289.333 subtract with 8.680, and the answer we will get is 280.653. Next, on the 13th August 2021, the calculation will be days equal to 15 days, and as for discount, Glory Dress did not get any discount because the invoice was paid after length of discount period, which means 15 days after the invoice date. Hence, we need to pay the payment with full payment, so the total supplier B will get is from Glory Dress is 289.33.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL UMAIERA binti Abdul Rahman. My metric is A20A1899. So I will present question number 4. Amortization simply refer to the amount of principal and interest paid each month over the course of your loan term. Near the beginning of a loan, the vast majority of your payment goes towards interest. Over the course of your loan term, the scale slowly tips the other way until at the end of the term when nearly your entire payment goes toward paying off the principal or balance of the loan. The process of providing for a loan to be paid off by making regular principal reduction is called amortization the loan. The actual periodic payment required can be calculated using equation where the unknown is now A, amount of the annuity payment made per period, and P, the present value of annuity is now known. For question number 4, there are divided two questions, which is A, calculate the monthly payment. For the loan amount we get from Bank ABC, which is 30,000, M for the total month, 12 months, T for the term, and I interest, K divided by M. Then after we get the answer, we use A equal to present value to get the monthly payment. For B, construct the amortization schedule. There are 8 tables. We want to get the amortization schedule. First is beginning balance from ending balance period before, ending balance, beginning balance minus principal paid, monthly payment that we calculate earlier, total paid from start period 2, monthly payment plus total paid before. For principal paid equal to monthly payment minus interest paid, total principal paid equal to principal paid period 2 plus total principal paid period 1. Interest paid we get from beginning balance multiply interest divide by monthly compound. Total interest paid equal to interest paid period 2 plus total interest paid period 1.